Hey there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Nick Wilde from Zootopia 2, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the middle with the nose, and we're going to draw in a sideways oval. For the nostrils, stepping out from the center, we're going to curve this out on both sides. Let's color in those nostrils black. For the mouth, let's come down. We're going to draw in a small straight line. We'll curve this out and up on the left, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in a small corner bracket. Let's step up now for the eyes. So on a diagonal coming up, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for our left eye. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, just lining that up at the same height. Draw on the eyelid here, so we're just going to curve this line across. Let's add in some highlights now. So on the inside edge, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll come down on a diagonal, replicating that, making the second one smaller. And then now let's just color in the eye black. Let's move up now. So for the eyebrows, we're going to curve this line in towards the center. And then we're going to round this out from the inside edge, curving this around and then down on the side. Let's move up for the top of the head, drawing in a curved line directly across. Let's add in some hair here. So we're just going to curve this line out and then in. And then we'll do the exact same thing, stepping underneath, curving that out and down. Now from here, for the side of the face, we're going to curve this line out, down and over. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, just ending that at the same height. And then from the edge, we're just going to pull this line back in. Let's add the ears in here. So on the top, stepping in from the center, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then now from here, we're just going to round this back out, curving that down. Now from that point on the top, we're just going to curve this down toward the tuft of fur on the inside of the ear. Let's continue to close out the cheek. So we're going to curve this out, pulling that back in. And now one more time, moving down, just curving that out. Now underneath, we're going to close off the bottom of the face with a nice big curved line, joining that from point to point. Stepping around the nose here, we're going to curve this down, around, and through to the bottom. Replicating that on the right. Let's draw on the collar now. So leaving a gap in the center, we're going to curve this down on both sides. And now from that point, we're just going to round this out, tucking that back in on the side. Let's step down, leaving a small gap. We're going to curve this across for the tie. And then from the middle, stepping out, just two more diagonal lines. Now from here for the tie, we're going to draw two diagonal lines coming in towards the middle. Let's close that off with a straight line. We're going to bring this line out on a diagonal on the left, doing the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, just joining two diagonal lines in the middle. Let's draw on the flower pattern here now. So on the top, rounding this in, stepping down or replicating that again on the right. To the left, we're going to draw in a half circle. And then stepping around that, we're going to round this out as we come all the way around the circle on the bottom. Now on the right, let's curve this line out and then back in underneath. Let's move underneath, drawing in another half circle. Let's round this out on the top, curving this down. We're going to do the exact same thing as we move all the way around. Now underneath on the bottom, curving this in and then replicating that as we come over. Let's come down now for the shoulders. So we're going to round this out, curving this over and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Stepping down on this line now for the shirt, we're going to curve this line out. We'll pull the arms in with a small diagonal line. Now from underneath the tie, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out on either side, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to curve this up on the left and right. Right in the center now, drawing in a slight curved line. Now for the legs, we're just going to curve this down on both sides from that point in the middle. We'll step up, curving this line across for the bottom of the pant leg. Let's tuck that in. Let's continue drawing in the foot, so we're going to pull this line out, rounding that back in. In the center, stepping out, finishing that off. One more time, curving this out, down and in towards that edge. Now let's draw on the arm. So we're going to curve this down and then back up. Again, moving underneath, curving this in and through. So round this out on the bottom, curving that in. Let's finish off the tail. So on the top, rounding that out, curving that back through. One more time, arching that down. Now let's pull this up, down, and in towards the leg, extending that through underneath. And that is it. That's how you draw Nick Wilde from Zootopia 2. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.